Yeah, hello everybody. iSamfix computer solutions with another video today. So let's try to see how this one is behaving. So I insert a charger. Okay, my multimeter is off. And I see there's something trying to blink on this side here. Is it true? Insert a charger again. You know, this means that we have all the voltages. See these some blinks? These two blinks means we have all the voltages, and so the only thing I would think of in such a case, I had not seen that actually. You know what, I'll start by programming this chip, because that seems that the machine is trying to give an attempt to start, but it's not, the firmware is not receiving. There are no signals for, okay, where is, okay, just a minute. Okay. Yeah, so I'll have to get the firmware for this. Where can I get this firmware? So let's wait for the hot gun to get hot so that I can work on that. Okay. Some flux there. It's too much reflection. I think the light is much, so I think that one is enough with me. Okay. So let me grab this chip. I try to do some flash out. See whether it's going to give us something. Oh, stuff, It's not coming out. Now it's out, Oh, that's good, So pin number 1. And that's pin number 1, So let's come out of the microscope mode. Okay. So here's my programmer. It's here. Place that chip there on top. So I'll come with the cable. The cable thing. It's right here. So it's trying to read the firmware. Okay. So test. Yeah, chip has been detected. Read. As you can see, the chip is green now. So that green means that we are reading. So let it finish and maybe I program that chip. So in the meantime, a file for this one. Yeah, I think I have some here. Yeah, I have some here, as you can see. Now this is the file I'm going to write for that machine. See this one, So let me extract it to a specific folder. So maybe let me bring it to the document. Yeah, let me just take it to the document. So if I come to the document, I see the BK. What was the file? The the BK, yeah, this is the file here, BBCK, as we saw on the WinRAR document. Yeah, this, remember this, the BBKCC. Now this is the file I need to put. So let's wait for it to back down, to back up, and we see. So it's rewriting, you can see. Yeah, so yeah, hey, I don't even realize my cape is looking the opposite side, eh? I was trying to look at this and my cape is blocking, bringing some shade on my table, and so I had to. And I think it's a bit clear now. I think I'll be wearing it like that, so it's a good. So let's wait for this one to finish and then come back to see whether it's going to work for us. Yeah, so the firmware is done writing. Check the chip. But is there need of going back to the microscope mode? Yeah, maybe we should in a few. So that we can solder back the chip. The chip is here. Getting to know where the pin number 1 is. Yeah, these are tiny things, so the microscope is very important. Okay. Okay, where are you running? Okay. For it to cool down, maybe use some alcohol there to cool down. Maybe let's put in the charger to see whether things have changed. You can always know by power supply there. Wow, you can see, eh? Wow, let me come out of the microscope mode. Okay. You can see now the light is stable here. And here, so where is the fan? You know what, I'm going to insert the fan while the laptop is spinning. I mean when the laptop is on. And I know a lot of engineers here are going to complain, hey, that is very wrong. Why are you putting the fan while the laptop is on? Yeah, I know it's not advisable, but I have no problem with it because the fan is pin specific, so you can see the fan is spinning, eh? Okay, who is this now blocking my view here? And the fan is spinning, eh? Maybe we need now to put a RAM. See now the amperage is stable and everything is working fine, eh? I don't know whether maybe I'll get a RAM. It's a PC3 here or a PC3, I don't know. So it's a 4GB. Let me try with a 4GB here. Okay, let me always try the port that is near the processor, remember? The near the processor port is always better because so you have never known that the bigger the wire or the longer the journey to the voltage. So let me not start preaching right now. Okay, so I'm still having some more jobs awaiting me here. I don't know whether I'm having a display, but I can see the power supply there. Okay, what is wrong with this today? I want to see whether there is a display here, because the fan, you know what, I'll ask for the customer, because sometimes the RAMs are in different variants, and we see whether that one is going to work for my guy here. Maybe this is the fan that is, yeah. So I think that is it. I don't have the specific RAM. You see, this model is a bit funny because I know it for using very rare type of RAM. Some are DD. The frequencies are very different. So anyway, guys, that's it for today. Yeah, let's meet in the next video. And thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing, and continue doing so. I'm really grateful for that. So bye.